Let's get casual, unleashing the power of informal punctuation and emoticons. Hello there, learners. Today, we're going to delve into an exciting part of English language learning: informal punctuation and emoticons. We all know that communication is not just about the words we use, but also how we use them. Punctuation and emoticons can significantly shape our messages, especially in informal writing. So, let's dive right in. When we talk about informal punctuation, we're referring to punctuation marks that might not follow the rigid grammatical rules we often see in formal writing. These can include excessive use of exclamation marks, question marks, or ellipses. They can also be things like using all capital letters for emphasis, or even leaving out punctuation completely to create a more casual tone. Emoticons, on the other hand, are graphical representations of emotions or objects, and they're a relatively new addition to our writing toolbox. They add a visual element to our texts, helping to convey mood, tone, and emotion. So, when should we use these tools? Well, context is key. Informal punctuation and emoticons are great for casual conversations, personal emails, social media posts, and text messages. But remember, in more professional or academic contexts, it's best to stick to formal punctuation and language. 1. Casual conversations. Informal punctuation and emoticons can be used in casual conversation to express emotion and help the other person understand your intent. 2. Personal emails. A personal email is typically less formal than a business one, so feel free to use informal punctuation and emoticons to make your message more friendly. 3. Social media. This is where informal punctuation and emoticons really shine. Social media is all about connection and emotion, so don't hold back. 4. Text messages. Texting is usually informal and conversational, so it's a perfect place for a sprinkle of emoticons and a dash of casual punctuation. While informal punctuation and emoticons can bring a lot of personality and emotion to your writing, it's essential to not go overboard. Too many exclamation marks or emoticons can make your text seem immature or unprofessional, even in casual contexts. It's all about balance and understanding your audience. Remember, effective communication is about making sure your message is understood, not just about using the most exciting punctuation or the cutest emoticons. That's all for today, folks. Remember that punctuation and emoticons are like the spices in your language cooking. Use them wisely, and they can transform your communication. They can make it more colorful, emotive, and even fun. Just remember to keep the context in mind and don't forget about maintaining a balance. We hope this video has been helpful and fun. Keep practicing and happy writing.